was a beautiful day, and the dinosaur was sleeping peacefully until 3 noisy McQueens came to ruin his nap.
Yeah!
Hey, get out!
The dinosaur roared in anger, but no matter how loud he got, the cars just wouldn't leave.
Huh? Help! Help! Help!
Oh no! The furious dinosaur crushed the yellow car, and the others fled in fear.
Avoid! Oh no, where? Okay, I'm come right way. Oh no, what's going on? Help, please.
The dinosaur broke the road, causing the train to crash. Remember, never damage public places.
Yahoo! Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I need your help.
The rescue mission is complete. Now it's time to fix the broken road.
Stop!
Hey, please add sand and cement.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see what fun comes next. Let's pour the cement and fill up that big hole together.
Next, let me...
The roller and the truck are working hard. Remember, kids, hard work is something to be proud of.
Wow!
Now let's install the tracks to make a special lane just for the train. The traffic light turns red. Remember, kids, always stop at red lights to stay safe.
Think about the consequences before acting.
Oh yes!
Hey! What's wrong?
Maybe I must be dizzy.
Go, go, go!
Oh my God! Help me!
Meanwhile,
What happened?
Let's start. Let's roll out. Transform. Transform.
Transform.
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Oh no!
I can't get out. Help me.
We need to repair these 2 bridges.
Help me!
Hey guys! We need to save people first.
Don't you see the traffic jam?
Must save people.
You suck.
Hey!
Arguing again.
No, no, no. You can't do.
Come on, come on! If you can't do it, let me do it!
Huh?
Hey, are you okay? Come on, I'll help you.
Help!
Come on, I'll help you.
Much, much, much later.
Come on, let's go fix the road. Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Let's go!
Okay, here goes.
Woo!
10 years later.
Let's go! Hey guys!
Here, here! Bing bong!
You see, only when we save people can we handle other things.
I'm sorry.
Hey!
Okay, work done. Let's go out. Police, stop right there.
Bing bong!
Come on, come on! We've got a mission. Let's transform now.
Transform!
Hey! Hey! Pulling now.
Still stuck. Yo, 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 yo!
I'll clear the dirt. One more time.
Oh yeah!
I'm out.
Hey guys! Are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you.
We should still double check, just in case.
You're right.
All right, let's fill in the hole.
Sand is ready.
5 minutes later.
Nice teamwork. This road is safe again.
It's them, the guys from earlier.
Easy!
You're not going anywhere.
Road closed.
You're under arrest.
Come on!
Good job, team.
Working together keeps everyone safe.
So boring.
The opportunity has arrived. Do you want to play with me to relieve your boredom?
I'm not going to hang out with troublemakers like you.
I won't cause any trouble. We're just having fun.
But,
It's just for fun.
okay, but don't break anything.
Of course. Okay already.
Hey!
Are you ready?
Of course. It's not easy to be better than me. Grumpy, where are you? Grumpy, it's all your fault.
Those who look down on me deserved it.
What's wrong?
Much later.
What happened to you?
Help me. Grumpy tricked me.
Come on, you can do it!
Okay, here we go.
The important thing now is to reorganize the construction site.
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo.
Woo! Doggy, let's rope 'em and ride! Oh yeah!
Good job.
That's ridiculous. I won't let this go.
Yay, job done.
I want to remind you. You shouldn't listen to strangers and play around with them.
I should have realized that Grumpy wasn't trustworthy.
That's good to know. Now let me play with you.
Hooray, you're great.
Hey!
Hello?
5 minutes later.
Wait.
Get out of my way, I'm going to be late. Get out!
It's all broken.
I didn't mean to...
The thing to do now is not to cry. We have to deal with this mess. Transform!
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo.
Come on.
10 years later.
Bing bang.
Much later.
Oh yeah!
Cement is coming.
Pouring cement. Glug, glug, glug. All done?
Yo, 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 yo.
I'll flatten the road.
I'm sorry.
You know it's good.
But thanks to you, we can do this project.
Remember to walk on the right side of the road next time.
Yes, sir.
Finish work. Let's play together.
Bye, have a great time.
Yo, 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 yo.
No bridge. I have an idea. Let's go on the railway.
Get out of the way!
yeah.
Thanks. I'll call for a new bridge. I need to build a new bridge.
Meanwhile,
I need to build a new bridge.
Okay, we will help you. Hey! Attention team, emergency mission.
Let's go!
10 years later.
Hey!
Go, go, go!
Sand is ready. Okay already.
Bricks coming in.
Load the bricks in. Oh yeah!
Cement is coming.
Much later.
Yo, 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 yo.
I'll flatten the road.
Thank you, everyone. The new bridge is amazing.
Bye, have a great time.
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo.
I'm dizzy.
Meanwhile,
Let the games begin! Round one. Oh yeah!
What's this?
Oh no. Messy and dangerous. I'll clean this up.
I think something serious has happened. We should go ahead and check.
All right, let's go. Round two. Final round.
Messy job! No, this is impossible job!
Hey! What happened?
The marble, too many.
Okay, team, we need to block the road.
Transform! Stand back! I'll push them aside! Oh, come on!
I'm here to help.
Come on, you can do it.
1 hour later.
Whoa, I can't stop!
Are you okay?
I'm okay, I think...
This is getting worse.
We need a better plan now. Use the other lane. Stay back.
Yeah, okay.
Much later.
Yeah.
Woo!
Thank you very much.
Let's go!
Hey guys! Yay! It's safe now!
Great teamwork.
When we work carefully and responsibly, everyone stays safe.
Yo, 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 yo.
Wait.
Come on! Oh, I'm stuck.
1 hour later.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Yo, 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 yo.
Hold on, team. I've got this under control.
Transform!
Come on, you can do it!
Go! 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 Thanks. That was scary.
Oh no! This road is a muddy disaster!
We need a new road. Safer. Yellow, level the ground. Green, time to clean up.
I'll clean all the mud. Messy job, no problem. Less gross.
Let's go!
Hey! Stand back! I'm building our way out of this!
Let's rope 'em and ride!
No, no, no! Wrong place!
I'm sorry.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh my God!
Hey! Thank you. Great job!
All right, let's get back to work.
Go! 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 Go!
Yeah.
Okay already.
Much later.
Concrete ready!
Let me flatten it.
10 years later.
Bing bong! Hooray! Hooray!
Wow, no slipping now?
When the road is wet, always drive carefully. Safety first.